Here we're going to find the equation of the line right here. Well, we need two things, right? The first thing is the y-intercept and the second thing is the slope. Luckily, we can see that right here, we'll just go up 1, 2, 3, 3 times. So the y-intercept is precisely here, namely 0, 3. Okay, so you see, we have y is equal to mx plus b. And because we have the y-intercept right here already, we know b is equal to 3 already, so that's excellent. Now we just have to figure out the slope. Well, because we're given a picture, one easy way to do this is just count. So you see, we have to go up 1, 2, right? We went up twice, and then we have to go to the right one time. So went to the right one time. Therefore, the slope is going to be 2 over 1. And it's partially 2 because we went up twice. So the slope is just 2 over 1, which is just a 2. So the answer is just y equals 2x plus 3, and then we are done. Just like that.